Has your company lost business or missed opportunities due to misalignment between sales and operations? Many sales and operations teams have perceptions about their colleagues that can have significant impact on winning, gaining, and sustaining business. Does your organization experience some of these common perceptions? Sales perceptions about operations. They are rigid and hide behind procedures. They worry more about processes than profits. They don't think outside the box, and they don't understand how hard sales is. Operations perceptions about sales. They cut corners. They're only interested in commissions. They aren't interested in details. They don't realize how much we could help them, and they don't care about timelines. These perceptions can feed on themselves and create challenging environments both internally and ultimately with customers. If your organization struggles to align your team to fulfill your customers' needs, just imagine how your customers are feeling. Download our ebook to learn more about 3 key steps you can take to begin to align your sales and operations teams to win, gain, and sustain business at key accounts.